Now that you've got an open house event coming up, what can you do to make sure it's a huge success? Hey guys, it's Shane here with BrickDriven Realty, and today we're going to talk about what it takes to pull off an amazing open house. Stay tuned. Spring is here and buyers are starting to flood the market. Now's the time to hook some of those buyers with amazing open house. To ensure your open house is a triumph, we'll go over 3 tips and strategies to ensure that buyers walk away from your open house with offers already in mind. First, let's talk about first impressions and how much those first impressions matter by creating a warm and inviting atmosphere, which can significantly impact a potential buyer's perception of the property. To create a nice atmosphere, make sure the curb appeal is an A+. The house is cleaned and decluttered, and there's plenty of light in the house, especially as much natural light as possible. Next, to ensure a successful turnout, strategic marketing and promotion are essential. Utilize a mix of traditional and digital methods to maximize your open house's visibility. This should also include an announcement post on social media, professional photos, and lots of physical signs, email bursts, and word of mouth to your extensive network. This will pack buyers into the property and generate a lot of excitement. So let's talk about key point number 3. During the open house, engaging with potential buyers and providing relevant information can make a significant impact on their decision-making process. Make sure you're always available in a central area. You should create information packets for attendees, be approachable and knowledgeable, and collect feedback throughout the event. If you have any questions or would like more detailed advice on your specific situation, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or anyone here at our company, as we'd love to help you in any way, form, or fashion. In the meantime, please smash that subscribe button and that like button, and we'll be creating new content to send out to you real soon. Have a wonderful day. Take care.